Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video I'm going to show you these beautiful cyclamen plants. These are hardy cyclamen, also known as perennial cyclamen. Their common name is bread, and they grow from a tuber and they spread really easily, form a ground cover under trees, ideal for woodland planting, shade planting, and they survive through the winter. So they come back year after year, nice and strong, and because they easily spread, you can lift few plants and put them in different corners of your garden, and they will fill up your garden really fast, nicely. So when I moved into this house last year, I had them over there in that corner. I show you. So in that corner I had few plants, and because this corner is not very visible from indoors, so I thought I shift them over there in that corner so I could have a better view of them. So I tried lifting them up and taking them over there, but you can see they are still growing here. So although I lifted as many as I could see last year, but still some of them came back. Maybe some tubers were left behind or some seeds fell down, whatever, but they are still growing there, and hopefully they will fill up that corner as well. And you can see they are growing nicely and beautifully in this corner, doing really well. So I'm really happy with how they look here, so beautiful, so cheerful. I can see them through my garden room. They look so beautiful, so I decided to put one here as well, and you can see this is growing as well with beautiful flowers, purple magenta flowers, and you can see these are the seeds inside. So these seeds, show you a close up. So this is the seed. It will fade down, it will form a seed. You can take them to the other part of your garden and they will grow for you. There is a slug. So they look really beautiful, and they're flowering when nothing else in flower except that hellebore, which I got few weeks back. It's looking really beautiful. But this video is dedicated to cyclamen, hardy cyclamen, perennial cyclamen. If you ever see these flowers blooming in the winter and you wonder what is this, so these are hardy cyclamen. And you can see there are many small plants growing as well. See here, these are all cyclamens, the small ones, and by next year they will be big. There are spewed over there, so I will try lifting few again this year and put them in different spots, like there on the other side of the arch, so they will be more visible for me from inside my house, and here all around this circle, so flower border. So hopefully in few years they will fill really fast and look so beautiful. Although these flowers are really small, so one plant may not look as good as a clump, so I will have to wait. So but this corner is really beautiful. I love it, and it started raining, so I get the chance to film the video for you, but it always rains. So I think I have explained to you what these beautiful little plants are, and they spread really well. They like shady corners or part shade corners under the trees, so you can form a blanket of them and enjoy their beauty all through the winter. And it is raining really hard now, so I say bye bye, take care, see you next time.